Hi everyone, this V.Z Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to get HD quality laptop wallpaper. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's get started. When changing the wallpaper on a laptop, often the photo or image becomes broken or blurry. To overcome this video, I will share the tips. First, please open the browser on the laptop, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, etc. In the search bar, please type HD wallpaper or 4K wallpaper. There will be many HD wallpaper provider websites. Please choose one of them. This time, I used the Pexels site. Here you will find many HD wallpapers to choose from. If you want to search by category, please slide the menu above, or can also type in the search bar. If you have found the wallpaper to use, please click the download button on the image. Once downloaded, return to the desktop screen. After that, right-click on the mouse, click Personalize, click Background. And on Personalize your background, select a picture. Then click Browse Photos and find the wallpaper download earlier. Then click the wallpaper. If it's closed, an HD wallpaper successfully applied. The result is, the wallpaper does not break and remains high quality. I think that's enough tutorial for this video. Good luck and see you in the next video.